Welcome to another episode of Plaintiff Prep. In this season, we're talking all about mediations. Today, we're going to be talking about steps you can take to be sure that you're fully prepared for your upcoming mediation. So let's get right into it.
First step, get legal representation. As we discussed in the last episode, a mediator cannot give legal advice to you or the defendant. As a refresher, the mediator cannot tell you what your case may be worth or what would be a good settlement for your case. Thus, it helps to have an attorney with you at mediation to help you make informed decisions about settling your case and to help you get the compensation you deserve.
Second step, get organized and stay organized. While your attorney should have all of your records and information organized at mediation, it is always a good idea to go over that information you have about your case and to make sure that it's organized appropriately. It's critical for your attorney to have access to all of the records that you have in your possession. That way, your attorney won't be surprised or caught off guard by the defense attorney. Therefore, you and your attorney can get the best results possible by organizing all of the relevant information available.
Third step, understand your case. Make sure you and your attorney completely understand your case. Specifically, prior to mediation, you should speak with your attorney openly and give him or her all the facts so that you and your attorney can discuss the strengths and weaknesses of your case. During the opening statements of mediation, your attorney will likely highlight all of the strengths of your case, and the defense will harp on the weaknesses of your case. Thus, talking with your attorney about the strengths and weaknesses of your case prior to mediation will help you to make sure you and your attorney are not blindsided by the defense attorney at mediation.
Fourth step, set goals. Be sure to enter mediation with a goal of how you would like your case to be resolved. Make sure you and your attorney understand your desired outcomes prior to the mediation. That way, your attorney can help you adjust your expectations if they are not realistic or reasonable. Remember, try to be flexible because the defense may present new information at mediation that could change your mind.
Fifth step, get to the mediation on time. In other words, be punctual. It is absolutely crucial that you arrive to your mediation on time and prepared, whether your mediation is in person or if it's a virtual mediation. If your mediation is in person, there are a few things you should consider. For example, it may take a while to find a parking spot, and you may need a credit card, cash, or quarters to pay for parking. Thus, you should take a credit card and a few dollars in cash and quarters to make sure you're prepared for parking. If you're concerned about parking, you should ask your attorney about the parking situation where the mediation is taking place. And if the mediation is at an office building, you can call the office building's front desk a few days before mediation to make sure you understand where you can park and how much it'll cost. Once you have the parking details, make sure you arrive with enough time to park and pay any parking fees. Remember, being on time is late, and being 15 minutes early is being on time.
Sixth step, be presentable. Whether your mediation is in person or virtual, it's extremely important that you look presentable. Mediation is a very important and valuable stage of your case because it's your opportunity to show the defense that you are competent, likable, and presentable. The reality is that many defense attorneys and insurance companies will actually add value to your case if you present well. However, if you show up looking sloppy, the defense will see you as an easy target. Therefore, dress your best for mediation and show up ready to play ball.
In conclusion, you should remember to respect the mediation process because it gives you and the defense an opportunity to resolve the case. In other words, it's an opportunity for you to get compensated and to put the case behind you and move on with your life. Therefore, you should show up prepared, on time, dressed for the occasion, and ready to take advantage of the opportunities mediation provides.